This 2024 Heartland Milestone 370 FLMB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, loft, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.